DeepSeek The Server is busy, please try again later. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the DeepSeek application. Now the issue of the server being busy in DeepSeek is generally due to the malicious attack on the service. As a result, users are unable to use it and new registrations are also affected. So what you can do in order to fix this is, first of all, what you need to do is you can just tap on the regenerate option. So when you tap on regenerate, it might work out for us as well. If not, you can just tap on the two lines at the top left corner of the screen and simply tap on the three dotted lines and log out of your account. So and then re-log in. So when you re-log in, that server might also work for us. Next, what you can simply do is make a long press on DeepSeek application. Then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data. So just tap on clear data and clear the cache, then tap on OK. So after doing this, your issue might be fixed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.